You got a solar quote. The installer looked at your roof and said, "You'll need to replace that before we can put panels on." And now you're staring down an extra $12,000 to $18,000 before the solar project even starts. Maybe they're right, maybe they're not. And the frustrating part is you can't always tell which. Some installers recommend roof replacements because it genuinely protects your investment. Others do it because a bigger project means a bigger check. Let me show you how to tell the difference yourself before you commit to anything. Hello everyone, welcome back to IntegrateSun. Before we get into the self-assessment, here's the simple framework the industry uses. And it's actually pretty straightforward. More than 15 years of roof life remaining, install solar now. No conversation needed. 10 to 15 years of remaining life, get a professional inspection, understand the math, and make an informed decision. This is the gray zone where most homeowners get stuck. Less than 10 years of remaining life, replace the roof first. The reason is simple. Removing and reinstalling a solar system during a roof replacement costs $3,000 to $5,000 on its own. If your roof is going to fail in 5 years anyway, you'll pay that detach and reset cost on top of a roof replacement. Do it now and avoid that double cost entirely. The question is, how much life does your roof actually have left? Here's what to look for before you call anyone. This isn't a substitute for a professional inspection, but it'll give you a real starting point. For asphalt shingles, check these 4 things. First, curling or cupping. Walk around your house and look at the shingle edges from ground level. If shingles are curling upward at the corners or cupping in the center, the material is drying out and breaking down. That's a sign of significant age. Second, granule loss. Check your gutters after a rain. A heavy presence of small, gritty granules means your shingles are shedding their protective coating, the last stage before they fail. Third, cracking or brittleness. On a clear day, shingles should look relatively flat and uniform. Cracking or obvious brittleness visible from the ground is a red flag. Fourth, age against condition. A 15-year-old roof that looks clean and solid, no curling, no granule loss, no visible damage, probably has another 7 to 10 years left. A 12-year-old roof showing multiple warning signs might have less. Now for metal roofs. Good news. Metal roofs last 40 to 70 years. If you have standing seam metal, solar is almost always fine. Clamp-based mounting doesn't even penetrate the roof surface. If you have metal panels or corrugated metal, your installer will use specific flashing hardware, but the roof age is rarely the issue. Moving on, tile roofs. Tile itself lasts 50 years or more. The concern with tile is the underlayment beneath it, which typically lasts 20 to 30 years. If your tile roof is over 20 years old, get the underlayment inspected before you commit. And make sure your installer has genuine tile roof experience. Cracked tiles during installation are expensive and common when the crew hasn't done it before. Here's the decision that's actually in front of you. If your roof needs replacing in the next 3 to 5 years, the math almost always favors doing it now alongside the solar project. You pay one mobilization cost, one set of permits, and one installation crew rather than 2 separate projects. You also avoid the $3,000 to $5,000 detach and reset cost when the roof eventually comes due. If your roof has 10 or more years of solid life left, paying for a replacement now is money you don't need to spend. You can install solar on a sound 12-year-old roof and plan a coordinated roof replacement later, knowing what that detach and reset will cost and budgeting for it accordingly. The middle ground, 6 to 9 years of remaining life, is where you need a real conversation. The numbers can go either way, depending on your specific roof, system size, and how you're financing the project. Here's what to do if your self-assessment leaves you uncertain. Get an independent roofing inspection. Not from the solar installer, not from a roofer they referred you to. A separate roofing contractor with no stake in the solar project will give you the most objective opinion on remaining lifespan. That inspection typically costs $150 to $300 and is worth every dollar before you commit to a $30,000 solar project. If you have a tile roof over 20 years old, or any roof with active leaks, visible structural sagging, or soft spots when you walk the attic, call a professional before you do anything else. Those are situations where DIY assessment isn't enough. The honest answer to, do you need a new roof before solar, is sometimes yes, sometimes no, and sometimes it depends on math that's worth running before you decide. If you're in the gray zone and want someone to look at your specific situation, your roof age, your system size, your state's incentives, and the real cost comparison, that's exactly what our free consultation covers. We'll give you a straight answer, even if that answer is, your roof is fine, let's move forward. Links in the description. Hit subscribe. We break this stuff down every week. And if you want to know what replacing your roof with solar panels actually costs when you have to do it mid-system, that video's on screen now. Catch you guys in the next one.